Thank you, honey. Oh, you're heading
Oh,
down.
she's going fast.
Slow.
Today is April 16th.
Oh,
Scratch that.
Too
March
slow.
16th. And Danica is helping out Daddy, who's in his Star Wars shirt that we love. This is what the room looks like almost every day when she's playing.
Now give me these ones.
It actually only takes about 1 second to clean up, but that's it.
Okay, you got more.
This is all the diapers we buy. As you can see, there's 3 huge things. Buy enough for an army, huh? There's a new one.
A couple more. I want those ones now.
Good girl.
Give me those ones.
Danica's a good girl.
Oh, I'm too slow again.
I'm trying to get her to say, good girl. Good girl.
job. They're all put away. Oh no, those won't fit. Those
As you
won't
can
fit.
see, it's completely full, but she wants to come on. This is Danica being dramatic.
Those won't fit.
Danica, say good girl. Danica. Hi. Okay, I wish we could edit this.